Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will show you how to make a donut hairstyle. First, begin by brushing your hair thoroughly to remove any knots or tangles. Next, gather all your hair into a high ponytail, positioning it exactly where you want your bun to sit. Use a strong hair elastic to secure the ponytail tightly, making sure it feels firm and stable. This foundation is crucial for a neat and lasting donut bun. Now, take your donut bun tool and slide your ponytail through its center, bringing the tool down to the base of your ponytail. Once the donut tool is in place, spread your hair evenly all around it, covering the entire surface of the donut. You want to make sure no part of the tool is visible. This creates a smooth, full base for your bun. With your hair spread over the donut, begin to tuck the ends of your hair underneath the tool. Then, carefully start rolling the donut tool downwards towards the base of your head, continuously tucking and gathering your hair as you go. Once you reach the base, adjust the bun to your liking and secure it firmly in place using several bobby pins. Aim for a neat, symmetrical shape. To finish your donut bun, gently tug on small sections of the bun to create a slightly fuller, more relaxed appearance if desired. Then, apply a light mist of hairspray all over to smooth down any flyaways and ensure your bun stays perfectly in place throughout the day. For more great tips and deals, including a link to amazing leak-proof containers for easy meal prep, check the description below this video. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.